Hey, what's going on, friends? So today I got to change a trim motor on this Johnson 115. It may be a 96, 97 maybe, not sure the year. So in this case, the engine is right in the lock position and it's up, so it's pretty good. I got enough room to do it. But if you don't have that and the engine is down, you gotta go down here, and there is a flathead bolt that you unscrew, and then the engine will be free, and then you can lift it up maybe with the help of a friend, or if you have a jack or something, and then you can lock in a lock position, and you can even go up more if you need more room. I got two bolts off already. The ones in the back are pretty much being impossible. So I'm gonna show you what I do here to get this bolt off, all right? So I'm gonna spray some WD-40 right there. Just leave it for a little bit. I cannot leave this in overnight because I have a lot of work. I have more projects and stuff. So this bolt pretty much needs to be gone tonight, or at least I need to have this job done tonight. So hopefully I can get it off. Stay tuned. So for some reason, the bolts in the back are 10 millimeters, but also Phillips head. You can see it right there. So I make this tool because I have not much room. I made this tool to help me. Let's see if it works. I got one bolt off. So the last one, the one down there, is the one don't want to come out. I don't know, you cannot see it in the camera. Right there, you see the bolt. It's very hard. It's just not coming out. Not with this. The bolt is extremely hard, and I'm sure it's very rusted under there. So I gotta keep trying different way to do it. So I finally got it out. You can see how rusted it was. And yeah, it wasn't easy. It normally happens all the time with the same bolt. And most of the time, that bolt breaks. But this is the setup that I use. So pretty much put it like this over the motor. So that gave me the chance to get it out. But like I said, I was very lucky that any of these bolts broke, because it happens all the time. With my experience, I've been years working on boats, and most of the time, this bolt at the end is the one that goes bad. So now I gotta get the wires up from here. So the wires up from here. And now, this motor was replaced before. It's not original. Just makes it a little bit easier. And the motor should come out right now. Some fluid's gonna come out. Not a lot of fluid, but some of them are gonna come out for sure. Oh wow, this thing is really stuck. Let me get a hammer. Just bang it a couple of times. Now I got it out. Okay, I got it out now. I'm finally out. This is how it looks like. Make sure the other one that you're gonna put in looks exactly the same. You can see some back wires here. Okay, match it up with the other one. Okay, see both of them, the new one and the other one, they're pretty much exactly the same. I know the customer got it from Amazon, which is pretty good, because it's still in the store and may be very expensive. But this one worked good enough. There's a gasket here, a seal, that you gotta put a new one once you open these. Okay, and this one came here new with the kit. So let's put this, and then let's put the motor back in the engine, and then we try it and test it. If you notice, this motor has it's like a flathead thing right here. And also it had to line up with that one in there, right? So make sure you clean that, nice, and then line it up, and then you can tie the bolts. Okay, see, I got a flat right there. That means that both parts line up perfect. Okay. Don't force it. Just make sure it goes smooth. Right, I got it all set up. Now I gotta pass the cables through here. See. Like I said, this one don't have much around. Some other ones had a lot of cables and a lot of stuff that you gotta pass through, the sensors and stuff like that. Okay, now I got it, working. I tested it, make sure it works. It goes up and down. It got a little bit of air in the system, so now just gotta fill it up with fluid, hydraulic fluid, and that should be it. Okay, now that was how you replace this string motor in a Johnson. And all the engines is pretty much the same for outboards. And it's nothing crazy as long as the bolts are okay. If the bolts are not good, then you are in trouble. And like I say, there's nothing quick in boats. It's always something. So take your time, be patient. If you have to spray with WD-40, do it. And just be patient. Don't make it worse. That's what I say. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question, please comment in the section down below. See you next video. Goodbye.